What is going on, Coaster Crew fans? We're checking in from Islands of Adventure. Going to give you guys a Velocicoaster update. And it looks like as I was walking in, some Christmas decorations have started going up around the park. So they're on their way to the holiday season. Alright, let's go further into the park and check out what's going on at the Velocicoaster. Alright, made it to the lagoon here. And since our last video, Universal Studios actually has announced this coaster finally, after almost a year of construction and track going into place, and we knew it was obviously a roller coaster, but they had not formally announced it. And now we know it is Velocicoaster. We know that it will open in summer of 2021. Also, we do know that it has been testing in some capacity. Not sure if it's full circuit, but it could be between blocks or between launches. But we have seen some pictures on the internet indicating that it might be testing to some capacity. But currently lots of work being done over there. So let's get a little bit closer. We'll make our way around the park and see what else we can catch for you guys. Alright, we've made it down here to Toon Lagoon near Pluto's Bilratch barges. Lots of retaining walls have gone up since our last update, as you can see, going all around. There's still lots of work going on. Lots of rock work's been done. Looks like they're pretty much finished back here. Lots of detail. There's even green moss on some of the rocks up there. Whoa, what do they got in there? King Kong? No, just another locker building. Alright guys, our journey around Islands of Adventure has come to an end. That is today's Velocicoaster update for all of our fans out there. If this is the first time watching a video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our page, hit that bell to receive future notifications on future videos, and of course follow us on all of our social media channels at Coaster Crew on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys real soon.